How to fix no SIM, no network coverage problem. If you are having no SIM and network coverage problem, then follow these steps. Firstly, drop down your notification bar. Here you will see the airplane mode. If you are having network issues, then turn on your airplane mode. Keep it turned on for some times and turn it off. This will somewhat reset your Wi-Fi settings. You can also try switching between your mobile data and your Wi-Fi to see if that helps. Now let's talk about no SIM problem. If you have inserted a SIM in your device but it's not showing, then follow these steps. Firstly, open settings on your device. After opening settings, you will see a search icon at the top. Click on that. Now in the search bar, type in Reset Network Settings. You will see the first option at the top. Click on that. Again, select the option Reset Mobile Network Settings. When you click on it, then at the very bottom, you should see the option Reset Settings. Click on that to reset your settings. If you have multiple SIMs, then you can select it. Since I only have one SIM, so it's not showing the option. Now give your device a quick restart, and after restarting your device, your problem should be fixed. So that's all for today. Thank you.